you very much for that. Moving on, shares of Voltas are gaining in trade after UBS upgraded the stock. My colleague Vamakshi gets us up to speed with those details. And not surprising, the kind of heat waves running around the entire nation. Voltas sales must be looking up. What does UBS have to say?
Well, absolutely, Reema. With the temperature soaring, the stock also seems to be soaring in trade today. In fact, when you look at the numbers on a year-to-date basis, the stock is up almost 38%, and in fact, it is just 3% shy of the record high. UBS says that the company has reworked its supply chain in RAC segment and has further optimized its cost structure. And as far as some new entrants are concerned, they believe that the reducing cost to match Voltas will now be very difficult for them, and therefore, they believe that the industry has now started to enter into early phases of consolidation. They believe that Voltas is expected to surprise on the market share front in the RAC segment. The market share is expected to rise to nearly 23% in FY26. In fact, Voltpec JV, as far as that is concerned, this is Voltas's white goods JV with Pecco. It saw a slow ramp up initially, but that has improved as far as market share is concerned, and they believe Voltpec will now reach a market share of almost 7.9% by FY27, and EBITDA break-even is expected to come through by FY26. They expect incremental revenue of almost 10,000 crores in consumer electronics segment by FY27, and this in fact will account for nearly 60% of the company's FY27 revenues. Overall, given all of these factors, they lift FY24 to 26 EPS estimates by 4 to 31%. They're expecting 20% revenue CAGR over the next 3 years and 28% revenue CAGR from FY23 to 26. They believe that relative to peers like Blue Star, Voltas' valuation is undemanding, and this has come in despite improving prospects. So given all of those factors, UBS has gone ahead, upgraded the stock to a buy, and in fact they've given a massive upside as far as the target price is concerned. They've managed to raise it from 885 to 1,800, and upside potential of over 30% is what they're seeing.
A massive target price hike indeed. It's not very often that you see a brokerage doubling its price target over the next 12 months despite an upgrade. So good going there for Voltas, 4.5% higher at the highest point of the day, and UBS is expecting another 40% in terms of potential upside over the next 12 months. So Voltas there among the stocks for today's trading session. But time for a